Come with me to ship out a couple Ordertrons from $0 to first sales. Whoa, that way, let go. Oh my, feels great, man. Let's do it. So we over here on the live stream trying. If y'all not tapped in with a Twitch, go ahead and tap in with a Twitch at Joya Dig. I'm gonna link it down below. You know what I'm saying? What's good, my boy? Heart, you know what I'm saying? Heart of Family Default in the chat. But yeah, bro, so today is the day before my B-Day. I turn 24 tomorrow. And it's time for me to lock in and get serious. Even though it's the weekend, still grinding, still working. Bro said, what up? Oh my. You know what I'm saying? Chilling, bro. I'm ready to pack up this order. But support. I'll put the link to the website down below. I just opened up the shop like a couple days ago, whatever. You hear me? You know what I mean? Running good prices, good sales, trying to get deals. You gotta run the deals. So if you trying to run up a bag, you know what I mean? If you stuck on E, if you need to get a quick band, whatever, you gotta run deals. You gotta know how to throw deals. So we've been throwing some deals. We got 2 orders so far. Grateful for that. We actually got 3, but one of the items we don't got on hand. So 2 items we get to ship out right now. You know what I mean? I'm saying they got a small black on black. Black on black. You know what I mean? We got a large black and white edition. Whoa. Black and white-a-thon. You know what I'm saying? And here's our shipping station right here. So we print, you feel me? Pull out the label, print them in pack it in let's go ahead and get the label, you feel me, bought. I'm gonna get it bought, and I'm gonna go ahead, you feel me, print them What? That way. But you feel me, I got my May Superior shorts, you feel me, my legs still got the stitches, that's why I look like that. I dropped the story time on what happened to that leg. But this is just what we doing, bro. It's the money room. Feel me? So right now, I don't know, I'm trying to turn this room into a $0 to $1,000 room. Like this room can pay the rent. We're trying to get going. So look, where the 2 pieces over there, that's already gone. We still got all this to get out, bro. Go ahead and tap in right now. We're gonna do more deals, more sales. We got sizes small, medium, large, all on deck right now. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. Like if we get this gone this month, we really doing magic. Then we gonna re-up and go crazy again. But we over here trying to do the money glitch. Let's go ahead and get these orders. No, bro said dub grind. Unk status? Dang. Bro, I'm only 24 though. Dang. Is that really unk? I feel like we over here gassing it, bro. People just be actually high schoolers, bro. Because if you think about it, bro, you gotta be a student or something to be younger than 24. Like, bro, what is you really, like, you can't be that, you feel me? Like, come on, bro, let's be realistic, bro. Alright, so, labels. Bro, I'm trying to clear my mind, you know what I'm saying? For me, my goal is to get sales every day. If I can get, I'm saying, a couple orders a day, even if it's just 1, I'll take that, you know what I'm saying? I'll take that, and I really run it up with that for real. Like, I'm grateful for real for each and every order. For like 1, 2, few, something is better than nothing. That's all I know, bro. Start small, so you go crazy. God, just be grateful for what you got, maintain what you got. So these orders came in quick. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, bro. This is what my screen looks like. This is what my dashboard looks like, bro. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to go ahead and do it, y'all go ahead and go on Big Cartel. I'll put you onto that website, though. Go ahead, start your business, bro. Start your website, start your business. Go ahead and get Big Cartel. I put y'all onto that website. Everybody gonna tell you Shopify, shit like that. I put y'all onto my sauce, bro. That's my gift to y'all. I like to get back. You know what I'm saying? But we just started small, bro. As you see, got, like I said, 3 orders. We not capitroning. 3 orders, revenue, you know what I'm saying? Look, now that revenue, I'm extremely grateful for that right there. Like, that's, we getting something to work with. Like, that's not, obviously not paying the bills or nothing, but we work with something. And let's go ahead and get these orders shipped out immediately. And I'm gonna get that other item, you know what I'm saying, in stock so we can, you feel me, go ahead and get them their gear. I gotta re-up. So boom, let me go ahead and print these Labeltrons, Labeltrons. Let's go ahead and package up these trons, you feel me? Show y'all how I do it, bro. That's how I do my shipping station. Like he said. Shout out to Terrell from Houston with the drip printer. This, bro. With the drip going to Houston. All the way from the valley. Bro, yes, I need you to connect. You know what I need you to do. Yeah, print that out. Whoa. Hot and ready. Now we going straight to Corey in Philly. Oh, she all the way in the East Coast with it. You hear me? Shout out to my East Coast civilians. Yo, you know what I'm saying? East Coast, Houston. I was thinking about going out to Houston, you feel me? So boom, grab a little yeah. Grab the drippage. You know what I mean? I feel like honestly just keep doing this, like honestly rinse and repeat. Like if it's not broke, don't fix it. Keep getting more gear. I feel like word of mouth gonna help spreading the brand, spreading the awareness to the drip. But honestly, I'm trying to do more than just do clothes. Like I really want y'all to know this is just getting a part. This is more than just fashion, bro. This is how you can get connected with us, how you can get tapped in, how you can get aligned with us, how you can get like involved with the movement. This is how you can support. This is bigger than just clothes, you know what I'm saying? First order. Got that one. Second one. Now I'm ready to do my favorite part. I'm ready to go ahead and drive this to the post office. I'm ready to bring y'all with me, hop in the whip. And get it over there, get the pack going, easy drop off, quick in and out that mob, and pack drop off expert, you know what I'm saying? They can fire me, but they can't hire me. It's like, nah, but they can't, you feel me? Yeah. Appreciate the orders, boom. 2, got more gear to go, man. I'm trying to get all this going, bro. Like I said, appreciate the first orders. Y'all was the first people that really got right now support, so that's real. You know what I mean? Like after the move, these are my first sales after moving, or since moving. So obviously I still gotta go to get all these going. Everyone that cops, real support. We got t-shirts, we got one-on-one pieces. You can also hit our DM for like special requests or like, bro, you got anything, any deals, any custom deals, bro. We take all type of payments, bro. We take Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, methods. Like we take all type of. We say it said Bitcoin, crypto. We like this is whatever y'all. What like feel me? What y'all? Different currencies, boy. We taking all type of payments, bro. We not like. Let's go ahead and catch the post office before it closed on this weekend. Grind, don't stop. One of these orders just came in today, so they getting their immediately. Oh my, let's go do what we gotta do with it. Oh my. Remember these days, man, where you was getting a few orders. It was just, remember who was there with you, bro. Who was there supporting? Who was there helping? Who was there just watching? Who was there helping you, you feel me, do your shit? Who was maybe struggling with you, you know what I mean? Cool, like, just remember all that different type of people. I stuff the supplies in a bag. And we go to the place to drop them off. But nah, these are the days you gotta remember, bro. I had to get myself up out that bed myself. You feel me? Can't be tired. Nah, bro. Get up and get them orders out, bro. You want to get to them big things. You gotta start with the small things. Gotta handle business, bro. Handle it. Yeah. Man, I'm grateful. You feel me? Definitely grateful for the spot, cause y'all don't know. Pretty much, I moved into a cheaper apartment recently, and my goal is that so I can, just do kind of my thing, my brand, my content. The things I really want to do in life, my passions, instead of trying to force over paying expensive ass rent that was like $1,700 to live downtown, things are more reasonable and everything like that. Like, I just walked out the door, I'm like, you got to lock up the spot and everything. I'm like, shoot, feel good to lock up the spot. Got to, feel me, spot to store some inventory trying, a spot to really lay your head at and just kind of like get your own paper. Like, you can make your own spot to work from home, you know what I'm saying? Put a little office in there. As y'all see, I just shipped out 2 orders. I also streamed in that room. I mean, right now my streaming ain't doing too crazy, but you can tap in with it. But it's like you can turn your own little room into a little turn up. I'm definitely glad I moved to a more affordable place that was way within my budget, and like I got that extra room for that office. But yeah, we're going to ship it out. I'm out here in Phoenix right now, but I was saying, like, we could really go anywhere with it. Some places at first seem unrealistic and not real, but you stack, get a plan, you could really go wherever you want to go. Right now I'm out here, but definitely gonna move soon. Gotta experience the world, but I go drop that bad boy out, man. It's real close, so it's not even nothing to really go over there. That's why I've been kind of just chilling. You did. Grateful to live by the post office. Gotta stay by the post office where you get the packs, bro. Most people be like, yo, I gotta live near my job. Me, I gotta live near that post office, bro. I gotta live where I can ship out shit. You know what I'm saying? Even if I didn't live near it, I still take that trip, though. I still take that trip 20 minute, 30 minute, whatever I gotta do. It's about nothing. Whoa. You feel me? Just pulled up, had to park the daily. Honestly, I gotta figure out, I've never been to this post office. Yeah, set us around this corner. You know what I'm saying? So I got the book bag on me. Walking through this shopping center. Ready to figure out where it's, oh, it's right here. Let's see how smooth it is to go in here and drop the packs up, bro. Like I said, I've never been to the shopping center. You say post office? This the post office? Hold on, see it. Wait, what? Is this the post? Hold on. Oh, post office back here. This is crazy. It's a store within a post office, bro. That's freaky. Job box and post office line is over here. Oh. Okay, say less. Wow. Got it shipped. Easy. There you go. Well, we made it back to the spot. Cool little day, John. That's how we wrap it up, bro. I mean, but we're not done yet. We're gonna go ahead and grind again. But yeah, that's pretty much how we hit the orders. It's pretty simple, smooth, and looking forward to doing more, bro. Now it's about the whole day. We're gonna market, promote, advertise, make a couple more videos, and yeah, keep it going. Whoa.